Alright, this is just a quick tutorial video to show you how to put the storage cover on correctly. As we previously covered in other videos, it's really important that you pull through the canopy panels free from the canopy frame. So you just go around and pull each of these panels out. So all umbrellas have 8 panels. And then I'll just wrap them around neatly. And then you got 2 canopy straps that we supply. So I use the first one around here. So it's nice and tight. It looks like that. Throw a strap around it here, which is the storm strap, like that. And when you got the canopy like this, you grab your storage cover, open it up. I normally close the zipper just a little bit, then grab it by the pole and throw it over it. And then close the zipper. If you've done it right, it is not too loose, but also not too tight. So if you don't have this packed up properly, you will struggle getting this over. In here, there is a pocket for the handle, and also the cord, the leftover cords, can go in there as well. And it makes it nice and neat, and it's closed. To get the storage cover off, undo the zip, your handle on the ground, open the zip like that, and just give it a bit of a wiggle to the top, grab the pole like that, and that's all.